of burning fat in the forest, we're going to enjoy fresh trout and barbecue.
We went hiking today.
Yes,
We saw many beautiful creatures, and now I'm starving.
me too.
You get to eat this in two parts. One part is hot pot and the other is barbecue. This is our local specialty, mountain trout.
Do they like pristine water?
The environment is great, so they can farm mountain trout.
Yeah, they only live in the cleanest mountain springs. Don't fry the skin. We only cook this side.
Oh, okay.
You can eat it when the meat turns milky white. There's also fish for the hot pot. You can also grill it.
Cool.
This is pumpkin hot pot, pumpkin milk hot pot. Pumpkin is our local specialty, and the vegetables are locally produced, very fresh.
Can I eat it now?
It's not fully cooked yet.
Oh, okay.
Look at the side. It's milky white here. Then you turn it on the side like this. The top is fully cooked, but the bottom is not.
Is it dripping fat?
Yes.
Looks juicy.
This side is cooked, but this side is not.
Yeah.
It's right here, but this side is still pink. So cook both sides evenly.
Cook both sides so it's fully cooked.
We Brazilians are not just good at grilling meat, we grill fish. Have a seat.
Okay.
Leave the fish to me.
Speaking of barbecue, there's also a plate here. Is this salted pork?
Wow.
Yes, it's pork belly. There's also lean meat and beef. The reddish meat is beef.
I'll try this first.
Salted pork. Meat with fat tastes the best.
I'll also try the meat while grilling the fish.
It's tasty.
Yep, it's our signature dish.
Tender.
Right.
Pork with a little fat tastes the best.
You can dip it in our red pepper sauce.
This sauce?
Yes, it makes the meat refreshingly delicious. Right?
The sauce is amazing. Cooked meat is usually quite chewy or hard to chew, but this meat is tender.
Yes, it's even more tender when it's just served.
Right.
It's on the table for a while.
It's still delicious. The scenery here is so beautiful. Why did you open the restaurant here?
As the name shows, the restaurant sits between the river and the mountains. It's like the mountains are kissing the river. So we named our restaurant San Wenquan.
I see. Enjoying the food while admiring the beautiful scenery is very relaxing.
Can I eat it now?
Yes, it's now tender. It will become dry if you keep grilling.
It's amazing here. Besides locals, many foreigners also visit here. The scenery from daytime to the night has been beautiful in their own way. It's relaxing to enjoy a meal here.
It's great to spend a whole day here.
Yes, have an
Ooh.
in-depth tour.
Right.
Let's eat.
Okay,
Yes.
let's dig in. Do you want some fish?
Oh, it's okay. I'll just serve you.
After eating trout barbecue, there's a fruit that you should try. How sweet are autumn sweet persimmons? Visit the mountains of Tai'an and get a taste yourself.
The air is so fresh.
Yes, on our way up here, did you see what's around us? They're the local specialty, sweet persimmon.
Really? I heard Tai'an sweet persimmons are famous, right?
Yes, because Taiwan has the perfect altitude and environment.
Right. And the people behind us are very busy. It's still so early.
What are they busy with? Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. It's so early. What? But you've already picked so many sweet persimmons. Are you in a hurry to make money?
No. It's because the typhoon is coming.
I saw the news yesterday. It's coming today or tomorrow. It may hit Miaoli.
So you're picking the fruits.
We're picking them before the typhoon hits.
Okay. What's the altitude of the orchard?
Around 1,100 to 1,200 meters.
Do sweet persimmons grow better at this altitude?
Yes, they grow from 800 to 1,500 meters.
But they grow the sweetest here.
Yes,
I see. When do you start picking the fruits?
5 a.m.
Every day?
Yes, you have to wear a headlamp.
You work in the dark
We don't want to work under the sun.
to protect the fruit?
No,
So it's to protect you?
the sun darkens your skin.
I see.
Today we plan to pick as much as we can.
Oh, because of the typhoon.
We're afraid that the typhoon will cause huge losses.
Hearing this, I start to feel a little nervous.
Should we help?
Should we?
Sure.
Teach us.
Peeling the bag is too easy, so Grandpa will handle it. You are young, so you will come with me to pick the fruits.
Okay, let's help.
Let's go. Going up?
Okay.
Every year from October to the end of November, it's the season of sweet persimmons. The golden and plump fruits are not only important produce, but also the source of income for locals. But as the saying goes, autumn is as fierce as a tiger. Taiwan is located in the subtropical zone. Sometimes the temperature in autumn reaches 35 or 36 degrees Celsius, so working under the scorching sun is exhausting. If there's also a typhoon, farmers have to race against time to pick the fruits.
After the sweet persimmon turns red, it becomes sweet.
What about this one with yellowish color?
Yes, it's okay. Look at the pedicle. We'll harvest the fruit when it turns red.
Oh, okay. How do we cut it? Do we cut the branch?
You should cut it from the calyx. It needs to be flat here.
It takes skills to remove the branch.
We put the fruits in the basket. If it's not flat, it will poke and damage other fruit.
I see. How much do you pick in a day?
We'll call it a day after filling up the truck.
Okay.
30 baskets.
Sounds very heavy.
I just picked this persimmon.
Yes,
Can I try it?
sure. Try it. Try it. Juicy?
It's super sweet. It's called sweet persimmon because it's sweet.
Yes.
Ah, amazing.
We cultivated this variety by grafting branches of Japanese persimmons onto Taiwanese persimmon trees.
Oh, so you created an improved variety.
Right.
Do you export your fruits to Japan or other countries?
We only sell in Taiwan.
Oh, it's so tasty.
Everyone scrambles for it.
Right.
The local demand is too high.
Foreigners know that Taiwan is a fruit paradise. Mangoes and pineapples are popular, but sweet persimmons are just as tasty as mangoes and pineapples. It's delicious, so sweet and juicy.
True. Tai'an sweet persimmons are crispy, sweet, and juicy. Even monkeys love it so much that they cause lots of trouble for the farmers. So to protect the hard work of the farmers, we need to work faster to complete the shipment before the typhoon comes.
Chahal, here's a whole basket. What should we do next?
Put it there. Hurry, Auntie is grading the fruits.
Oh, okay.
Here.
Here?
Okay.
Let's put it here. Hello.
Hey, hello.
Hello, we are here to help.
Do you know what to do?
No, what's this?
I'm performing magic. Look.
Who's speaking?
Look again. Grade 9, did you hear that?
Wow.
Is there an invisible man here?
Did you hear anything?
Why is it speaking?
Because I'm grading the fruit. This machine tells you their grade. It also knows their weight.
Wow. I've never seen anything like this.
We use the weight deduction method. You take one and deduct its weight.
It's time saving.
This one is grade 12. This grade is 6. The machine grades them with the weight deduction method.
So smart. You can see their difference. This one is grade 12. It's almost twice as big as this one.
It's very efficient. The harvesting process is quite physically intensive. We picked other fruits before, but the ground was flat. But in your orchard, the ground is slanted, so we had to stabilize our core while picking the fruits one by one. Also, the orchard goes higher and higher up the hill.
Right.
Why is that?
Oh, 5 to 10 years ago, the most suitable altitude for sweet persimmon was 850 meters.
850.
Now, because of global warming, it gets hotter and hotter. If the temperature is not right, sweet persimmons won't grow well. And why are they grown on steep hills? The ground must have good drainage. It can't be flat. Because if it rains and the ground is covered with water and it's flooded, the fruits will be affected.
Because of global warming, the orchard has to move up the hill.
Yes, up the hill.
So exhausting.
So now in the second part of our orchard, it is at nearly 1,200 meters. 1,100 to 1,200 meters.
Nearly 400 meters within 10 years.
Yes.
Wow.
Let me pitch you an idea.
Okay.
We saw many camping sites in Tai'an,
Yes.
and the environment and scenery of your orchard is so amazing. Lots of valleys. So why don't you open a camping site for tourists while growing persimmons? Maybe it'll be easier for you.
We've actually thought about it. Our orchard is almost 6,000 to 7,000 square meters, but because of global warming, the yield keeps decreasing. So, we make less money. But for people who open campsites, their land is also 6,000 square meters. But their income is several times higher than what we make.
I see.
So we have thought about it because it has become harder and harder to grow fruits.
True.
So why do you keep growing fruits?
Because this orchard is passed down by our family. It's almost 30 years old. So I'm still struggling to decide whether to keep growing quality fruit or to turn the orchard into a camping site and make more money. I'm struggling inside.
After visiting Tai'an, I finally saw how sweet persimmons are grown. It's so physically intensive. The orchard keeps going up from 800 meters. It's very tiring. Look at the hills. They're really steep. After picking the fruits, farmers have to carry them down the hill. They're very heavy. There's also the threat of natural disasters like typhoon. There's only one harvest every year, so if the harvest is spoiled, a whole year's work will be in vain. So they really cherish the fruits. Observing the process, it dawned on me that you encounter wonderful things in life, but remember there's a laborious process behind every wonderful thing. Cherish it so you can enjoy its sweetness.